Another beautiful day at the beach. Took a shower. Just relaxing. Look how beautiful that is. The birds are chirping. Reading a book. About to just relax, take it easy. I'm gonna do a yoga stretch here. Oh yeah. Vibes are real. Looking cutesy. Beautiful out here. Beautiful. I'll be editing this out, so.
In a quarter mile, turn left on Pine Island Road.
Wow, it's crazy. I'll screen on some makeup. Look all cute. Oh no. Yoga. Oh yeah. I love it. Guys working on the bridge. Some weird guys are hollering. Let's go back in the dock and не wiem. Я маю книжку, я буду читати коло води. Дуже гарно. Alright, another spot. Alright, going to grab some energy drink from Meatland. Let's go. So beautiful. I love it. Oh yeah. Those people are getting a bunch of waters. Grab one. This is peach. Peach is good. Raspberry, some freedom. And the lime sunset. Oh yeah. Lemon lime, let's do it. Going pretty good. Like, I'm even weary of this outfit. Looks a bit sketch. Holder.
Oh yeah, take a picture of me.
Oh no, I haven't. Where's my pass? Oh yeah, here it is finally. Hello, I finally get to use my pass. Hi. I'm so excited. Every time I go through, it's usually closed.
No, really?
I love it. I love Shinkazik. All right, have a good day. Yeah, I love it. Oh yeah. It's an amazing place.
Yeah, you can never get tired.
Shinka. It is really pretty. No, it's like. Stop at the window. Go at the window. First landing. Third landing. Probably for Irvin? I don't know. It could be for. We're almost there, Mom. Vagina. Vagina. Oh, yeah. Oh, coming out.
It goes up, of course. Everything else is
Look, you can see the ocean. You gotta go
with HOA fees. So what's this one?
It's only used by natural light, right?
Grease and oil, but yeah, look at.
Where's your baby? Oh.
Mama and me went up the lighthouse. We walked.
Turn left onto Shelley Cove Lane. In 900 feet.
Wow, so they're building a new house. Hey, how's it going? Oh, it's just a new built thingy.
In a quarter mile, the destination is.
Look.